Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best car ramps in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best car ramps. Starting at number 5, we have the 66 inches low-profile sports car lift service ramps. Are you looking for the ultimate car lift service ramp? Don't look further, as the discount ramps offer the best service. They feature a slim design measuring 11.5-degree loading angle and 66 inches for a more comfortable working space. Specifically, it is designed for low-profile trucks as well as sports cars. It has earned a reputation as the best tool for raising cars in showrooms and maintenance. With approximately 7 inches low ground clearance, you will never face any limitation while fixing the underneath of your car. It offers the best grip to hold your car into place, thanks to the 16 inches wheel platforms and integrated wheel stops. Additionally, these car ramps are ideal for loading and offloading activities. As a matter of fact, the ramps have raised side rails to keep the wheels on the static and safe position. Regarding load capacity, discount ramps will accommodate a massive weight of 3,000 pounds. Moving on at number 4, we have the Rage Powersports Heavy-Duty DH Up 4.5-ton Curb Ramp. This car ramp offers 20 degrees inclination angle for a smoother transition. However, this tool requires about 3 to 8 inches car clearance. But one thing that makes it outshine its competitors is the innovative design, which enables it to work for multiples, as a modular system. This design allows hassle-free access between surfaces of varying gradients. The straight piece and heavy-duty construction ensure that the car ramp is robust to accommodate up to 5 tons of weight capacity. Additionally, Rage Powersports car ramps come with optional end caps which fit snugly against each of the ramps to create a smooth corner. So, this integrated design makes the ramp fit for loading docks, tractors, commercial use, and pump carts, among others. At number 3, we have the Race Ramps RR 40 inches 2-pack car ramps. Race ramp car ramps are among the top rated. They provide an easy and fast method of lifting your vehicle so that you can access its beneath. The special material and the style of construction enhances a firm and safe grip that won't harm your floors. Even though it is incredibly lightweight, this set of ramp boasts a solid core which can endure all sort of treatments. It works for a variety of midsize cars that include BMWs, Corvettes, Jaguars, Miatas, among other vehicles. The ramps are built to accommodate tires that are up to 8 inches wide and can raise your vehicle up to 7 inches. And as per the wishes of many car enthusiasts, these car ramps are simple, sleek, and lightweight. In fact, they possess straps for super easy carrying and storage. At number 2, we have the RhinoGear 11912 ABMI Max car ramps. As we get to the top, RhinoGear 11912 ABMI car ramps takes position 3. Therefore, they are a priority for many car owners. They are highly portable automotive ramps that ease the work of raising your car for a comfortable repairing. With their rugged and structural design, these have become so irresistible for any prolific drivers who know the importance of taking care of their cars. The ramp set provides a reliable and convenient access to the most hidden points of the underside of your car. These car ramps offer unbeatable strength and perfect weight distribution, thanks to the patented polymer construction in conjunction with wide stance design. The base boasts an innovative core-tracked non-skid construction which prevents any slippage. Unlike other ramps with low inclination degrees, RhinoGear ramps provide 17 degrees incline. This slope enhances easy to use for low clearance cars. To prove on the rigidity of the construction, this equipment can support a maximum weight of 16,000 pounds. And finally, at number 1, we have the RhinoGear 11909 ABMI Car RhinoRamps. The RhinoGear 11909 ABMI car ramps take the first position in our top 10 best car ramps review. It is due to a sophisticated design that makes them the best for raising your car so that you can quickly change the tire, change oil or do other maintenance services. They are sturdy due to their patented polymer internal core system. Also, they feature a wide stance for maximum stability, excellent weight distribution, and unquestionable strength. It raises your car at an incline of 17 degrees so that you can gain more car clearance. RhinoGear car ramps boast a rugged and structural design which supports up to 12,000 gross car weight. Quality is great as it meets the portable automotive lifting device PALD standards.
Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.